If you're like me and most American Jews, you're probably celebrating Hanukkah by lighting the menorah candles or eating oily potato latkes or jelly donuts, or maybe playing spin the dreidel. In a season where the streets of New York are filled with the sounds of Christmas carols and the sights of Christmas decoration, Hanukkah has become our way, the distinctively Jewish way of celebrating the holiday season. But that was not always the meaning of Hanukkah. Come take a very quick trip with me back through time. Originally, Hanukkah celebrated the military victory of the Maccabees over the Greeks. After the destruction of the Second Temple, the rabbis transformed Hanukkah into a religious holiday, celebrating the divine miracle of a single jar of oil lasting for 8 days. Fast forward to the United States. Hanukkah remained a minor, unobserved holiday until the 1870s, when a group of young Jews called the American Hebrews decided to resurrect Hanukkah and make it a popular family holiday that could compete with the allure of Christmas. They succeeded beyond their wildest dreams, and today Hanukkah ranks as one of the most popular Jewish holidays celebrated in the United States. Hanukkah is a symbol of hope and an inspiration for those of us who live under tyranny and for those who seek religious freedom. Hanukkah reminds us to strive to be heroes, to be the Maccabees of our time, to be a light unto the world. Happy Hanukkah.
Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kidshanu b'mitzvotav, v'tzivanu lehanignem shel Chanukah.
Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher asa nisim la'avoteinu bayamim ha'hem b'azman hazeh.
Thank you so much for celebrating with us tonight. We hope you celebrate with us tomorrow night as Rabbi Andy Strauss teaches us about Hanukkah.